Look at all this planner wonderfulness. I'm so excited. These are the products that I received from Paper House. I'm on their PR team, and I'm going to go through and show you some of the things that I received in my box. Hi, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and I'm going to show you my favorite things from my Paper House box. Let's start with clips. They have some really fantastic clips. I love them. These are epoxy. They're really fun, and I love that the clip itself, it's like a bobby pin, but it doesn't have the ridges, so it doesn't really wreck your page and crumple it all up. I love the animals so much. They also have these puffy clips. Now, I love these so much. This little bear, so cute. Can you see how puffy they are? And the watermelon. Now, for every category, I'm not going to be able to show you each design, but I'll do my best to show you as much as I can, because there really is a lot of stickers. Next up, and I did take out some of my favorites because I'm going to show them all at the end together. So, but I've put my favorite designs besides my absolute favorites on the top of each pile. So these ones are like my favorites here. These are enamel stickers. They're like enamel pins, but in sticker format. Look at those mermaids, and look at the floral narwhals. It's so pretty. There are tons. I love these. I don't know if I'm going to put all these things as I go through. They also have puffy stickers as well as the clips, and these are really fun. I did post some of the stuff on my Instagram stories. Yeah, so there's lots of designs for the puffy stickers as well. They have sticker books, which are sort of planner kits, I guess. And let me just go through this one. This one matches my planner, which I'll show you in a second. And you get lots of boxes, lots of little decorative stickers, some to-do lists, some boxes with lists, and some check boxes, some lines like almost like washi, and some half boxes and flags as well. So I have quite a few different designs, and I do have some from my last box as well. This is one of my favorite new things. These are creative journaling stickers, and they're clear. And these ones are trackers. Like there's these water ones. But they are amazing. I absolutely love these trackers. They're so fun, so creative, so pretty. It's basically a bullet journaling line, but this is my favorite, the habit tracker ones. And then there's this one which has different months. There's a little set for each month, and then some more decorative ones. Like this says gratitude log, to do, goals. Yeah, and there you can track your weather. And what else? Oh, the pages sticking together. Some more decorative things. There's quite a few pages in these as well. Now, I love these because if you can see, it says Monday, but then this flag is empty. So you can take the number of the date. Like today's what, Monday the 12th. You can put the 12 there. It's so cool, so fun. And there's different days here, and there's a bunch of different designs. You can have a different design for every week. So fun. I love them. So those are a favorite. There's also these types of sticker books where the pages are different lengths, and you have I guess they're cards. Yeah, they're pretty much cardstock stickers, and there's a bunch of different designs. There's some letters, and then some strips as well. I love these. Speaking of strips, these are Japanese rice paper, and it's such a cool texture, and the prints are all really pretty. So those are fun to use, kind of in lieu of washi. And then these are the Sticky Pick stickers, and there's just a bunch of different designs. Like they're more like pictures, some of them, and they're really fun. And they have like front and back, so you get quite a lot of stickers in these packs. Another favorite of mine are the corners. So you can stick these on a page, you can stick them on the inside cover of a planner, and basically you can see the different designs in each one. It's just a little pocket. You stick down just the edges, and then you have an extra pocket in your planner. These are fun. These are oh, I got stuff stuck to it. There's different like half boxes and labels and flags. Now some of these are all sort of past tense, so it's more like memory planning or going back after the fact. Like it says, the kids are still alive, paid the bills, so they're not so much planning as like memory keeping. Then I love these. These are so fun. These are itty bitty stickers, and they're so fabulous for putting in the boxes and sort of decorating. I love these game day ones. There's no specific sport, so I can use them for hockey. And oh, they just remind me of childhood. Those ones, the sparkly unicorns. And yeah, so those are these ones. And then there are these epoxy stickers as well, and they're really fun. I like to make clips out of them as well, or stick them on all my pages. We're getting close to the end. We're getting there. So I'm going to bring in my favorite pile before I show you my planner and my absolute favorite of everything. So these are just like those 2 sheets of stickers, pretty flowers. These, when I saw these, I think I just stared at them in awe because they're just so pretty. And they're puffy as well. So I think I'm at least going to make 1 clip out of these. And yeah, I don't want to hide them in my planner. I want to have them out where everyone can see them. And these are part of those labels and things. But I really like these check boxes. They're really delicate and pretty. Feminine, I guess is what I was trying to say. Some more flowers. And you can see they're, well, I'm getting the glare of the plastic. I don't know if you can see like these are like rose gold. And these are more those little tiny guys. But there's like an elephant, another elephant, and it's just really delicate, like feathers and dream catchers and things. Really pretty, really pretty. And these are this is the same line, but the epoxy ones. So they're fun. And then there's this. This is another one of those sticker books. So I'll just flip through this quickly. I love the colors of this and the gold. Yeah, you can see the gold. And the strips at the back. So these are my favorites of everything. And now I'm going to show you a few more things, but I'm going to show you my planner next. So I got the Stargazer planner, and it's purple and gold. And I'll show you just a random, like it's got a notes page. Whoops. It's got a notes page, and then there's a couple pages with pockets, and then a bunch of different dividers. This is what all the monthly spreads look like. And then all of the weekly spreads look like this. And let me see if I can find the other pocket. Yeah, this is the other pocket here. And then, great part about this is you get stickers that match and fit. So you get 2 pages of like paper stickers, and you can see that they've got the gold foiling. And then you have 1 page of clear stickers, which is also gold. And then each month you have 4 versions, 4 copies, I guess. So you've got 4 January. So you can put, like if you wanted to put January here, January on the back, and then you could write January here, and then you have another one spare. So yeah, really fun. So that's my planner. And now my favorite part is the Wonder Woman stuff. I'm so excited. You can see how to use it, but you'll have to stay tuned to see what I've done with the Wonder Woman. But I just love Wonder Woman. She's so amazing. And I love Gal Gadot and the movie. And so this is one of those books where you get the boxes and all the stickers. These are the tiny ones. I like this little pow. So cute. Love it. I love it. And then the puffy stickers. Now, there's just one Wonder Woman and there's some other ones. And I've actually told my kids that they can have some of these ones. But I'm going to make a clip out of her. Here's some more Wonder Woman stickers. And she's also on this one as well. And we've got her, I guess it's her logo. I don't know what you call that. Anyway, but there's still one more thing. Oh, no, wait. There's 2 more things. I forgot. I missed a pile. These are sticker flakes, and they're so fun. You get a whole bunch of each of the designs in the pack, and they're just little stickers. Maybe I should open one and show you, because it's hard to know what they are without actually showing you. If I can get into it, we'll be all set. They're sticker flakes. See? They're just little stickers. And yeah, they're so fun. I love them. So there's designs to match most of the collections, if not all of them. So they're really fun. So put those away. And now, last but not least, is the big giant bag of washi that they sent me. Isn't this fantastic? I think my favorites are the ones by Carol Schreiber, I think her name is. And they're just really neat. Like there's another one. There's another one. Florals and polka dots. See, I think there's, yeah, and this one too. I think there's more, but these are my favorite. Oh, here's another one. But there's so many. Look how many there are. Look how many. I'm so excited. So, stay tuned. I'm going to be making lots of pretty things with these. And, yeah. inspiring you to hopefully you can make some things with your Paper House products as well. Okay, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite product was in the comments below. Okay, have a great day. Bye.